In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to replace text in Adobe Acrobat. If you need to make a quick correction or update inside a PDF, Adobe Acrobat makes the process fairly simple once you know where to click. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to open the document, access the editing tools, remove the existing text, and enter the new text cleanly so your PDF looks polished and professional. To begin, open Adobe Acrobat and make sure the PDF you want to work on is already open on your screen. This is important because you'll be editing directly inside that document. Before making changes, it's always a good idea to quickly scan the page and locate the exact section you want to update. That can save time and help you avoid editing the wrong area. Once your PDF is open, click on Edit. This will activate Acrobat's editing mode and allow you to interact with the text in the document. If the file is editable, you should be able to click directly into the text area much like you would in a word processor. Keep in mind that some PDFs may have formatting that shifts slightly during editing, so it's helpful to work carefully and check the layout as you go. Next, click into the text field where you want to replace the text. After selecting the correct text area, use backspace or delete to remove the current text. Take your time here and make sure you're only deleting the content you actually want to change. If the text is part of a paragraph, watch the spacing and alignment so the surrounding content stays neat and readable. After removing the old text, type in your new text or paste it if you already have it copied and ready to go. Pasting can be faster, but if you do that, it's worth checking that the font style, size, and spacing still match the rest of the document. If something looks off, you may need to make a small adjustment so the replacement text blends in naturally. And that's it. Once your new text is in place, take a final look over the page to confirm everything appears correctly and reads the way you intended. Replacing text in Adobe Acrobat is a straightforward task, and with just a few clicks, you can update a PDF without having to recreate the whole file.